Hi children, come we will see the second chapter, money transactions. In this, take your textbook, take page number 103, okay. Come we will see the next thing, okay, in this chapter. See, at times the shopkeeper incurs other expenses like octroi, labor charges, transportation, etc. Okay. See, sometimes the shopkeeper see what he will do means he will include the with the actual cost price, he will include the the tax. Octroi is nothing but the tax and the labor charges. The labor by labor charges means transportation charges and the labor charges, they will shift the amount things that articles and all, that carton box is heavy, he will lift lift that and he will while taking up from the factories and also deliver it to the shops, labors are needed to take that big boxes. So, what the shopkeeper will do means he will add that charges to the cost price, okay. He will add that charges also to the price of that article, okay, actual price of that article. So, what is that? The shopkeeper incurs, that means he will add other expenses like sometimes the tax charges, labor charges, transportation, okay, to the article, okay. These expenses are included in the cost price, which is known as actual cost price, okay. If these prices are also included in this cost price means, then we call it as what? Actual cost price, okay. If the shopkeeper add the transportation charges, labor charges and also taxes to the cost price of the article, then we call it as actual cost price, okay. Come we will see that. See through an example. Vinita bought a cupboard for rupees 3,100. See what Vinita bought? A cupboard, okay. She paid rupees 75 for transportation. Can Vinita itself can carry the cupboard? No, he needs some person to lift it, for the transportation, So, he spent and also he need an auto, okay, or a tempo to take it from the shop to her home, So, he paid 75 rupees for transportation. At what price should she sell it to make a profit of rupees 250? Okay. So, she want to make a profit of rupees 250. So, at what price she should sell that cupboard, okay, after buying it from the shop, okay. See, so for that we should find the actual cost price of the cupboard, okay. Cost price of the cupboard we know 3,100, but Vinita spent rupees 75 for transportation. So, what is the actual cost price? 3,100 plus 75, that is 3,175. So, but Vinita want rupees 250 as a profit, So, to get that how much amount she should sell that cupboard. So, she should sell that, we know selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, okay. If we add the profit to the cost price, this amount rupees 3,425. So, Vinita should sell the cupboard for 3,425 so that he can get the amount 250 as the profit. Understood children? So, this is about the thing, okay. Come we will see this further, we will understand this through through the sums, okay, through assignment sums. Go to next page. Assignment 3. Solve the following word problems. See here first sum. By selling a cupboard for 2,890, there was a loss of rupees 150. At what price was the cupboard bought? Okay. Understood children? This is very easy. You can do it on your own. Come we will do one more sum. Next sum. Okay. Next that means what? The third sum we will see. Okay. A fruit seller bought fruits from a wholesale market for rupees 8,000 rupees. Okay. A fruit seller bought fruits from a wholesale market, okay, for rupees 8,000. Before he could sell the fruits, half of them were spoilt and were discarded. Okay. Before, what happened to the fruits? Half of them were spoilt and were discarded. The remaining fruits were sold for 5,060. So, find his loss. So here what is the cost price, children? So cost price CP is equal to rupees 8,000. Okay, and what is the selling price? That is nothing but 5,060. Okay. So what is the loss? We know loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, that is nothing but rupees 8,000 minus rupees 5,060. So you do the sum and get the answer. So what's the loss, children? Rupees 2,940 is the loss amount. See, so sad, no, children? See what happened after the fruit seller bought the fruits from the wholesale market for rupees 8,000. Half of the fruits were spoilt and were discarded. So that what happened? The remaining fruits only he can sell, no. So he sold it for rupees 5,060. So he got a loss of what? Rupees 2,940. Understood, children? See, this is about what? Money transactions. Okay, come we'll go and see the next topic, profit percent. Okay, profit percent. See here, come we'll see one example. Mohan bought an article for 500 and sold it for 550. Sohan bought an article for 800 and sold it for 850. Who made a better deal? We can find the profit for both the person. Okay. See, Mohan also got 50 rupees profit. Sohan also got 50 rupees profit. So Mohan and Sohan both have the same profit. That is nothing but how much? 50 rupees. Okay. Come, we'll go to next page. So the thing is, the main thing now we are going to see about profit percent and loss percent. Okay. What? First one is profit percent. This is the formula. So you should keep in mind, very important this one. Profit percent is nothing but profit by cost price into 100. So you keep it in mind. This is very important. Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. Like that. What is the loss percent? Look here, loss percent is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Okay. Understood, children? So this is about loss profit percent and loss percent. Come, we will do the sums in assignment in next page, okay, so that we can understand how to find profit percent and loss percent. See, assignment 4, okay, assignment 4, calculate the profit percent or the loss percent. So what we should do? We should find whether it is a profit or a loss. After that, we should find the profit percent or loss percent, okay. See here, first sum is there, see here, cost price 100, selling price 120. So selling price is greater than cost price, so that will be a profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is nothing but 20 rupees, okay. So we should find the profit percent, profit by cost price into 100. So what is the profit? 20 by 100 cost price into 100 is 20. So there is 20% profit. So we will tell no in terms of percent only, we will tell no what is the profit. 20% profit I got, 100% profit, 100% profit I got. Somebody tells no. So that's the meaning of this, okay. Come, we will see the next sum. Look here, children. So what is the second one? Cost price. So what is the cost price? 400. What is the selling price? 350. Since selling price is what? Less than cost price, it's a loss. See, there is loss. So we should find the loss. Okay. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. That is nothing but rupees 400 minus rupees 350. That is nothing but rupees 50 rupees loss. So what is the percent? Loss percent. Loss percent is equal to what? What, children? Yes, loss by cost price into 100. That is the formula. This you should keep in mind, okay. This formula you should know, this formula you should know. Without knowing the formulas, you can't able to do the sums, okay. These are also very important, okay. So now you apply that. What is the loss? 50 rupees. What is the cost price? 400 rupees. into 100. Okay, 100 so 100, 100 ones are 100, 100 fours are 400. Okay, understood. So 50 by 4. Now what to do? Simplify it. So that is nothing but how much? 12.5% is the what? Loss percent. Understood, children? So if you say 50 by 4, if you simplify it, you will get 12.4. So what is the percent? Loss percent? 12.5% loss. Understood, children? This is about profit percent and loss percent. Say, understood, children? So in this way you should do the remaining sums in your classwork. Okay, understood? You should find the, using the formulas, find the loss percent and